Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. Multimeter means something is related to battery and voltage. Here we check the chassis ground with respect to the positive of the battery. So confirming the chassis ground by checking the voltage. So there is a voltage, so we can use this as a chassis ground. So this is my bike's old battery. For video purpose I remounted it again to show how to jump start a bike with that battery. You can check the voltage here. It is less than 12.4, which means it is discharging, and while cranking you can see the huge voltage drop. It shows that the battery is in terrible condition. It won't support enough current to crank the engine. Now this is the condition on the display up here. You have to observe the battery is dead. So when you sell the bike, it shows something like this. So in order to jumpstart a bike with dead battery, we need a battery and jumper cables. This is the exaggeration of the jumper cables. These are car jumper cables. For video purpose I am using this, but for normal jumpstart emergency condition we can have two wires with 1 square mm maybe. So positive of the dead to positive of the healthy battery, and negative of the healthy battery to chassis ground. We do not want to connect it to the negative of the battery which is dead, because it might cause some sparks which results in fire or burning the wires. So you can check the voltage here. As soon as the healthy battery is connected to the chassis, there is significant increase in the voltage, and then when I crank the engine, the voltage didn't drop as earlier. So we can run it for a few minutes so that the voltage reaches its optimal state. So you can check the voltage here after removing the healthy battery. So if the battery is completely dead, after removing the jumper cables, the bike would die. So now the battery symbol is gone, low battery symbol is gone. Even the low battery symbol is gone temporarily. Earlier a huge drop in voltage while cranking determines that the battery is in bad state. You cannot use it. If you find the video useful, please like, share and subscribe.